Welcome. If you want to connect AirPods to your iPhone 12 Pro, at the first you have to go for the settings, tap on the Bluetooth, turn it on. Right now open charging case, click connect. Right now we have to press the button of our charging case at the back, so click and keep holding. Right now they are connected, so we can release this button. And right now we can easily use our AirPods to listen to the music or watch videos, whatever you want. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.